How to disable Instagram profile picture zoom. So hello everyone, so in today's video I will show you guys on how to fix or disable your Instagram profile picture zoom. So without further ado, let us begin. So first, let us just open up Instagram. Then after that, to fix the zoom, what you want to do is just go to your profile right here. And then after that, just click on the three lines right here on the top right corner. And then once you're here, you'll be redirected here in your settings and activity section. And then after that, what you want to do is to just scroll down until you see help right here. So just click on help right there. And then from there, what you want to do is to just press on report a problem. So just click on that. And then after that, just click on report a problem. And then from here, it will ask you, would you like to include complete logs and diagnostics? So if you want to, just click on include and continue. But if you don't want to, just click on the bottom option right there that says don't include and continue. So for me, I will just include and continue. So I'll just click on that. And then after that, what you want to do is to just explain that your profile picture on Instagram is zoomed in and you want it to be fixed. So as an example, I'll just type in, hello, please help me fix my Instagram profile picture. It is zoomed in and I want it to be fixed. And then after that, you can also upload screenshots or pictures just by clicking on these options at the bottom right here. Either screenshot or just upload a straight up picture. So yeah, you can do that as well. And then once you're done, just click on send. And then there you go. It says right there, thank you, your feedback helps, etc. etc. So all you have to do now is just wait until Instagram customer support replies to your problem. And then yeah, just wait for them to reply to your problem and then it should be fixed very soon. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to disable Instagram profile picture zoom. So if this video is helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.